All right, so let's take a look at these regression problems on the homework. This first problem is they've already done the number crunching for us, and they're showing us that the format of the equation is a plus bx, and they're telling us a, and they're telling us b. So all we have to do is literally type in what's already in the printout. And I believe the instructions say to use the full accuracy, the full number of decimal places from the printout. So then our regression equation looks something like that. And then what is the correlation? Well, the correlation is R. So 0.6440668. So most of the time, you're going to have some kind of software to do the number crunching for you. And so now the number crunching's already been done for us, and this is just to make sure we are able to interpret or read that printout. Predict the price when the prime interest rate is 5.5. So we're going to put 5.5 into this equation. So there's my regression equation, and we're going to plug 5.5 into that equation. So 1.97257176 plus 0.35135027 times the value of x that they gave us, which is 5.5. So if x is 5.5, x is the prime interest rate, and y is the price of a stock. So if x is 5.5, the price of the stock is 3.9. Not sure how many decimal places they want. It says at least 4 decimal places, so 3.905, I think I got to say. So it's that easy. 2 answers, we're just typing numbers that are from the printout, and then using the third answer, using the regression equation to predict a value for y for a given value of x. So now this is a little bit different printout. This is what a printout looks like when it comes from computer software rather than from the graphing calculator. But the coefficient of constant is our a, and the coefficient of midterm is our slope. So therefore the least squares regression line should look like that. And then predict the final exam score for a student who scored 61 on the midterm. So again, using this equation, 24.999 plus 0.71041 times the midterm score, this will give us a predicted score on the final, 68.33. So the predicted score on the final is 68.33. Don't know if I did enough decimal places there, but it looks like I did. Third problem. So intercept and slope. What is the equation of the line? 67.0. They want us to, so this is an example of what the printout looks like from Excel. And again, they want us to use all those decimal places, 2.3778567x. So we're just getting the equation of the least squares regression line from the printout. And then predict the salary for a graduate with 6 years experience. So we're going to put 6 into the equation, 67.09285878 plus 2.3778567 times x, which they said is 6. So we predict a salary of $81,000. And they said leave it in thousands, so we're going to put 81.36. That's the predicted salary in thousands. So that's how quick the homework could go, literally a 5-minute homework assignment.